A collaborating for all to who watch the video. I am Hermes Honorio Sepúlveda Arias, a student of Contaduría Pública, remotely from the Universidad Militar Nueva Granada. This presentation will describe concepts and definition of terms used in process codes and production order codes. It will also identify the main difference between these two models. COGS system. It is the set of procedures, techniques, records, and reports structured on the basis of the double entry theory and the other technical principles which aims at determining the unique codes of production and the control of the manufacturing operations carried out. Process costing system. It is established when products are similar and are mass produced continuously and uninterruptedly through a series of production stages called process. This costing system is ideal for companies such as assembly department or industries such as paper, chemical steel, and textile companies. Example: suppose that during the month February, 2,000 units were put into the process in department A. Costs including the month were material $2,000, laboral $1,000, and indirect manufacturing costs $500. At the end of the month, 1,000 units were complete and transferring Department B. The goal of the project cost system is to determine what portion of the $2,000 in material, $1,000 in laboral, and $500 in indirect manufacturing costs were applied to the 1,000 units produced and transferred to Department B. Each department should prepare a report on the cost production. Production order cost system. It is when the production has an interrupted, logified, diversified character that responds to specific and specific orders and instructions to produce one or several articles or a similar set of them. The organizations that commonly use this system are manufacturer of clothing and furniture, manufacturer of the spare parts, auditing and consultancy service construction, ATC. Example: on December 4, 2040, the company Pegasus placed an order with the company SOL, which consisted of manufacturing a custom-made conference table with chairs, in the same way at a total price of $12,000. Delivery shall be by 9 January 2050 at the latest. Basic concept of a process costing system. Cost period is the period between the formulation of the financial statement, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Process: it is a stage in the transformation of products physical and or chemical characteristics. Incurred codes. These are the codes of raw materials, laboral and indirect charges applied to the period. Production finish in each process, represented by the physical volume of production in good condition. Processed or actual production. This is the production that has been effectively transferred during the COTS period. Equivalent unit. This is the production that is in the manufacturing process at the end of a cost period. Comparison of code system by production order and by process. Concept in production is in production order is notified, interrupt one or more products. In process is continuous, interrupt large volume of products. Conclusions. In accounting, there are different types of systems used to generate information about the costs of an entity's product or service. The system of production order costs can be carried out in companies where it is possible and more practical to distinguish lots. On the other hand, companies where production is carried out in sequential steps for its completion at the finished product is more or less uniform or similar. It is better out then to apply the cost per process system.